Hello everyone. Welcome to this video where we explore some strategies for using TLMs in classrooms. Effective use of TLMs requires thoughtful planning and integration into lesson plans. Here are 5 strategies that you can try. 1. Align learning objective and TLM. Align the specific learning objective of your lesson with a TLM that supports and reinforces the concept. Have a dialogue around your lesson through the TLM. Example, in a 5th grade science class, with a learning objective to understand the solar system, Mr. Jonathan aligned TLM and his lesson's objective by using a model of the solar system. He engaged his students in a dialogue about the planets, their positions, and characteristics while manipulating the model. This interactive approach enhanced comprehension and reinforced his lesson's objective effectively. 2. Foster a hands-on learning experience. Encourage students to manipulate, discuss, or explore the TLMs themselves, fostering a hands-on learning experience. Example, in a math class, when teaching fractions, Miss Sweta provided students with colorful fraction tiles. She encouraged them to physically manipulate the tiles to understand concepts like adding fractions. The students combined and discussed the tiles. This made abstract concepts tangible, promoted active learning, and a deeper understanding of fractions. 3. Keep variety and choice. Use a variety of TLMs to cater to different learning styles. Include visuals, audio and tactile materials to make the learning experience more involved. Example, in a 1st grade English class, while teaching vocabulary, Miss Fatima incorporated a variety of TLMs. For visual learners, she used flashcards with colorful pictures and word labels. For auditory learners, she played word pronunciation games. Tactile learners engaged with letter tiles to create words. This diverse approach accommodated various learning styles and made the lesson more engaging and effective for learners. 4. Bridge the gap between the classroom and real world. Relate TLMs to real-life situations or practical applications. This helps students see the relevance of what they are learning and how it can be applied outside the classroom. Example, in a geography class, Miss Malini, when teaching about local geography, used a large map of the region. She showed students their town or city and nearby landmarks and discussed how geography affects their daily lives, like understanding weather patterns or planning routes. By bridging the gap between classroom learning and the real world, students gained a deeper appreciation for geography's practical relevance in their everyday experiences. 5. Interactive assessments. Use TLMs for assessment. Incorporate quizzes, discussions, or activities that require students to demonstrate their understanding of the TLMs. This reinforces their learning and helps you assess their comprehension. Example, Mr. Prakash is a science teacher in 4th grade. After a lesson on the water cycle, he used a model to conduct an interactive assessment. He provided each student with a blank diagram of the water cycle and asked them to label the stages correctly. Then, he had a group discussion where students explained their labels. This approach assessed their comprehension while encouraging active participation and reinforcing learning through discussion and application of TLMs. As a bonus point, you can have fun. Having fun in the process of TLMs creates an enjoyable learning environment that fosters creativity and enthusiasm for both teachers and students. You can try out role-playing. Allow students to role-play scenarios during the lesson using TLMs. For example, they can act out historical events or stimulate scientific experiments. Gamification. Incorporate elements of the game into TLM activities by using board games, puzzles, and other games that can be tailored to align with the lesson's objectives. You can share these strategies with teachers in your school to foster more lively, interactive, and enjoyable learning spaces. Thank you for watching this video.